Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session we completed up to question number 27. Now we will start with question number 28. In this question, the number of solutions to secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 cosecant square theta is equal to 8, and condition 0 less than or equals to theta less than or equals to pi by 2, that is nothing but first quadrant. Okay, now simplify. This can be written as 1 by cos square, and this is 1 by sin square, and this is 2 by sin square is equal to 8. I will take LCM in these two. Cos square theta, sin square theta is LCM. Now sin square theta into 1 plus cos square theta into 1 plus 2 by sin square theta is equal to 8. Now this value is 1. Now 1 by cos square theta sin square theta plus 2 by sin square theta is equal to 8. Again, if you take the LCM, cos square theta sin square theta is LCM. 1 plus 2 into cos square theta is equal to 8. If you cross multiply, 1 plus 2 cos square theta is equal to 8 cos square theta into sin square theta. You convert this entire equation either in terms of sin or in terms of cos. I am converting this equation into cos. 1 plus 2 cos square theta is equal to 8 cos square theta into sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square. Now from this 1 plus 2 cos square theta, 1 plus 2 cos square theta is equal to 8 cos square theta into 1 minus 8 cos square theta into cos square theta. Send these values to the left side. Now it is 8 cos power 4 theta, 2 minus 8 minus 6 cos square theta plus 1 equals to 0. Factorize this. 8 cos power 4 theta minus 6 cos square theta can be written as minus 4 cos square theta minus 2 cos square theta plus 1 is equal to 0. In these two, 4 cos square theta common. Now 2 cos square theta minus 1 is remaining. Here minus 1 common. 2 cos square theta minus 1 is remaining. Again, if you take 2 cos square theta minus 1 common, 4 cos square theta minus 1 equals to 0. So from this I can write cos square theta is 1 by 2, cos square theta is 1 by 4. Cos theta is plus or minus, but here given the first quadrant, don't take minus, you take plus only. 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. Now theta is equal to pi by 4, theta equals to pi by 3. Totally we will get 2 solutions for this question, that is nothing but option D is the correct answer. Next, question number 29 I will explain later. Why? Because in this question complex numbers concept is involved. Complex number is not finished. That's why I will discuss, because the purely real, purely imaginary, so these all will come in complex numbers. So we will discuss this question later. Next, question number 30. In question number 30, the number of solutions of the equation cos 6x plus tan square x plus cos 6x into tan square x is equal to 1 in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Okay. See here, in first and third, you take cos 6x common. 1 plus tan square x. You send this tan square x that side. 1 minus tan square x. Now you can write cos 6x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. This is formula for cos 2x. Now cos 6x minus cos 2x is equal to 0. It is in the form of cos c minus cos d. Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2. 6x plus 2x, 8x by 2, that is nothing but 4x. Sin c minus d by 2, 6x minus 2x, 4x by 2, that is nothing but 2x is equal to 0. From this you will get sin 4x is equal to 0, sin 2x is equal to 0. From this we can write 4x is equal to n pi, 2x is equal to n pi, x is equal to n pi by 4, x is equal to n pi by 2. But here don't take odd multiple of pi by 2. If you take odd multiple of pi by 2, the function is in tan because that is not defined. Because tan 90, tan 370, these all values will get infinity. That's why you take the remaining. For example, if I substitute n value 0, n value 1, pi by 4, n value 2, 2 pi by 4. 2 pi by 4 is nothing but pi by 2. So this is not defined. Next, n value 3, 3 pi by 4. N value 4, 4 pi by 4. That is nothing but pi. N value 5, 5 pi by 4. N value 6, 6 pi by 4. That is nothing but again 3 pi by 2. Odd multiple of pi by 2. Next, n value 7, n value 8, 8 pi by 4. That is nothing but 2 pi. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here you don't take, x is not equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. For this value you will get infinity, that's why don't take. Totally you will get how many solutions? 7 solutions you will get for this. Now option D is a correct answer for question number 30. Next, 31. One of the general solution, here no need to find all general solution, one of the general solution of the equation 4 sin power 4x plus cos power 4x is equal to 1. Okay. Now this can be written as sin square x whole square, and this is cos square x whole square. We have formulas. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. You write these two formulas. Now 4 into 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square plus 1 plus cos 2x by 2 whole square, that equals to 1. Now 4 into 1 plus cos square 2x minus 2 cos 2x by 4. Don't cancel 4 and 4. Plus here 1 plus a plus b whole square, cos square 2x plus 2 cos 2x by 4, that equals to 1. If you take LCM, 4 will be the LCM. 4 1 jas 4, 4 into cos square 2x, 4 cos square 2x, 4 2 jas 8 cos 2x plus 1 plus cos square 2x plus 2 cos 2x is equal to 1. Cross multiply. 4 cos square 2x, cos square 2x, 5 cos square 2x, 2 minus 8 minus 6 cos 2x, 4 plus 1 5, that is equal to 4. Send this side. 5 cos square 2x minus 6 cos 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Now factorize this, or you take is equal to k also, no problem. 5 cos square 2x, this can be written as minus 5 cos 2x minus 1 cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here we take 5 cos 2x common. Cos 2x minus 1. Here minus 1 common. Cos 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Again, if you take cos 2x minus 1 common, now 5 cos 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. From this you will get cos 2x is equal to 1. Cos 2x is equal to 1 by 5. See, when cos value 1 becomes cos 0, that's why 2x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 0 actual. Now 2 gets cancelled, you will get x is equal to n pi. This is one solution. Now this can be written as 2x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where alpha is cos inverse of 1 by 5, because we don't know exact value of 1 by 5, that's why. You send to this side. X is equal to n pi plus or minus 1 by 2 into alpha, where alpha value is cos inverse of 1 by 5. For this question in your book they given option B is correct answer, that is wrong. You please change, option A is a correct answer for this question. Next question, 32. In 32 question, the number of solutions of the equation 1 minus tan theta into 1 plus sin 2 theta is equal to 1 plus tan theta, and the range is 0 to 2 pi. So you convert this entire expression in terms of tan. Now 1 minus tan theta into 1 plus sin 2 theta formula in terms of tan, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 plus tan theta. Now simplify. 1 minus tan theta into, if you take LCM, 1 plus tan square theta. Now here you will get 1 plus tan square theta plus 2 tan theta, that equals to 1 plus tan theta. Now 1 minus tan theta into, it can be written as a plus b whole square by 1 plus tan square theta equals to 1 plus tan theta. Now from this I can write 1 minus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. And here don't cancel 1 plus tan, 1 plus 1. I am taking 1 plus tan theta equals to 0. Because if you cancel, this part will not come. Okay. Now from this, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Now from this you can write 2 tan square theta equals to 0. Now tan square theta equals to 0. Theta is equal to n pi. From this you can write tan theta equals to minus 1. So when tan value minus 1, tan is negative in second quadrant and fourth quadrant. Directly I am writing tan 135 is negative. Next, this is 135 I took in second quadrant. Similarly, you can take in fourth quadrant. 360 minus 45, 315, that is nothing but 7 pi by 4. So here totally we will get two solutions. Now coming to here, I can take 0 because tan 0 is 0, or I can take pi, that is also 0. I can take 2 pi. So here 3 solutions, here 2 solutions, totally you will get 5 solutions for question number 32. That is nothing but option C is a correct answer. Next, 33. In 33 question, the number of solutions of the equation sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. Easy question. Sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x is equal to cos x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x, and they are given 0 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 2 pi. First you take the highest angle and least angle, sin 3x plus sin x in separate bracket plus sin 2x. Similar right side also, cos 3x plus cos x plus cos 2x. Now it is in the form of sin c plus sin d. 2 sin c plus d by 2, 3x plus x, 4x by 2, cos c minus d by 2, 3x minus x, 2x by 2, that is nothing but x plus sin 2x. Here cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2 plus cos 2x. So in left side I can take sin 2x common, 2 cos x plus 1. In right side cos 2x common, 2 cos x plus 1. Don't cancel. Now you send sin 2x into 2 cos x plus 1 minus cos 2x into 2 cos x plus 1. I can take 2 cos x plus 1 common, sin 2x minus cos 2x is equal to 0. If you take first one, 2 cos x plus 1 equals to 0. If you take second one, sin 2x minus cos 2x is equal to 0. From this I can write cos x is minus 1 by 2. From this I can write tan 2x is 1. Okay. Now the general solution, x equals to 2n pi plus or minus, when cos value minus 1 by 2, cos 120, that is nothing but 2 pi by 3. For this, when tan value 145, now 2x is equal to n pi plus pi by 4. From this I can write x is equal to n pi by 2 plus pi by 8. So this is answer for 33. But here how many solutions we can exist? See, if you want the solution, in place of n you substitute value, or otherwise if you know the table perfectly, I am finding. Why? Because the general solution is again lengthy. Okay, listen. Cos is negative in which quadrant? Second quadrant and third quadrant. In second quadrant you will get value is 120. So in third quadrant you will get 240. That is nothing but 4 pi by 3. Two values. Now coming to here, tan is 1 positive in which quadrant? First quadrant. 2x is equal to pi by 4. And here as well as tan is positive in third quadrant. Third quadrant what you will get? 5 pi by 4. But one more cycle you take, because 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. If you take one more time, you would get 5 pi by 2. Now 3 pi, 7 pi by 2. I will take another value. So here pi by 4 over. Next here 2 pi plus pi by 4. Because 2 pi plus again which quadrant? First quadrant. First quadrant is positive. 2 pi plus pi by 4, that is nothing but 9 pi by 4. But finally the x value compulsory lies between 0 to 2 pi will take. Similarly, we will take 3 pi plus pi by 4. So 13 pi by 4 you will get. If you simplify, send to this side, x is equal to pi by 8, 5 pi by 8, 9 pi by 8, 13 pi by 8. These all values belongs to 0 to 2 pi. So here 2 solutions, here 4 solutions. Totally you will get 6 solutions for this. That is nothing but option D is a correct answer. Next, 34. In 34 question, the number of values of theta which satisfying sin 3 theta minus sin theta, that equals to 4 cos square theta minus 2 and 0 to 2 pi. Now left side you apply sin c minus sin d formula. 2 cos c plus d by 2, 3 theta plus theta, 4 theta by 2, 2 theta. Sin c minus d by 2, 3 theta minus theta, 2 theta by 2. Here 2 common. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Gets cancelled. Now cos 2 theta, sin theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1 is formula for cos 2 theta only. Send cos 2 theta this side. Sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. From this you can write cos 2 theta is equal to 0, sin theta equals to 1. Okay. Now when cos value 0, 2 theta is equal to, I can write pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. Okay. Next, if you take 3 pi by 2 again, 5 pi by 2 I can write, 7 pi by 2 I can write. Okay. Why? Because theta will be pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. Here sin theta equals to 1, theta will be 90. Okay. So here 4 solutions, here 1 solution. Total you will get number of solutions will be 5. That is option B is a correct answer. Next, 35. One of the general solution of the equation 4 sin theta, sin 2 theta, sin 4 theta. 4 sin theta, sin 2 theta, sin 4 theta is equal to, right side value is sin 3 theta. Okay. Now 4 sin theta, sin 2 theta, sin 4 theta is equal to, right side we know the formula for sin 3 theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. You send this value to the left side. 4 sin theta, sin 2 theta, sin 4 theta. That is equal to, minus 3 sin theta plus 4 sin cube theta is equal to 0. In this entire equation I am taking sin theta common. Now it is remaining 4 sin 4 theta, highest value I am writing, sin 2 theta, minus 3 plus 4 sin square theta equals to 0. Now this 4 I can write minus 2 into minus 2. Now sin theta into minus 2 into minus 2 sin A sin B, that is formula for cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. A plus B, 4 theta plus 2 theta, 6 theta, minus cos A minus B, 4 theta minus 2 theta, 2 theta, minus 3 plus 4 into the sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Now 2 1 just 2 2 just gets cancelled. Now sin theta into, you multiply this total value with minus 2, minus 2 cos 6 theta plus 2 cos 2 theta minus 3 plus 2 minus 2 cos 2 theta is equal to 0. Cancel. Now here sin theta into minus 2 cos 6 theta 2 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. Either first one 0 or second one 0. I can write here sin theta is equal to 0. Here I can write minus 2 cos 6 theta is equal to 1 you will get. Here I can write theta is equal to n pi directly I am writing. From this I can write cos 6 theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. When cos value minus 1 by 2, 120. Therefore, the general solution is theta equals to n pi is common for second one. 6 theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 120. Send theta this side. 2n pi by 6, that is nothing but n pi by 3 plus or minus 2 pi by 80. Okay. Now that is answer for question number 35. Okay. Now here we will take LCM. 18 is LCM. 6n pi plus or minus 2 pi. Here theta equals to, again 2 pi common, 3n plus or minus 1 by 18. Now answer pi by 9 into 3n plus or minus 1 when n belongs to integer, that is nothing but option C is a correct answer. Next, question number 36. The general solution to the equation tan theta plus tan 2 theta plus tan 3 theta is equal to 0. Okay. Now tan theta plus tan 2 theta, this 3 theta can be written as tan of theta plus 2 theta. Now tan theta plus tan 2 theta, tan A plus B formula, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B is equal to 0. So here tan plus tan 2 tan 2 is there, here tan plus tan 2 theta is there. I will take common. Tan plus tan 2 theta common. 1 plus 1 by 1 minus tan theta tan 2 theta is equal to 0. Now from this tan theta plus tan 2 theta into, if you simplify, you will get LCM is 1 minus tan theta into tan 2 theta. Cross multiply 1 minus tan theta tan 2 theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, either first one 0 or second one 0 will take. Tan theta plus tan 2 theta is equal to 0. Either this one 0, you send denominator that side becomes 0, 1 plus 1 2 minus tan theta into tan 2 theta is equal to anything into 0 becomes 0. From this I can write tan 2 theta is equal to minus tan theta. Now I can write tan 2 theta is equal to minus tan theta can be written as tan n pi minus theta. Okay. Now from this you can write n pi minus theta is minus only, because if you take n value 1 pi minus, you will get pi minus means second quadrant is negative, or you can take n value 2 pi minus, again fourth quadrant also tan is negative. That's why I directly wrote n pi minus theta. Now 2 theta equals to n pi minus theta. Now 3 theta equals to n pi, theta equals to n pi by 3. This is one solution. Coming to here, from this I can write 2 is equal to tan theta into tan 2 theta, we have formula 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. If you cross multiply this value with 2 minus 2 tan square theta is equal to 2 tan square theta. Now 2 equals to 2 tan square plus 2 tan square, 4 tan square theta you will get. Now from this tan square theta is equal to 2 by 4, that is nothing but 1 by 2. Now I will get tan theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. Now theta is equal to n pi plus or minus tan inverse of 1 by root 2. So totally, and first option is correct, second option is both A and B are correct. That is nothing but option C is a correct answer for this question. Next, 37. In 37 question, we need to find the general solution of the equation sin 3 alpha is equal to 4 sin alpha into sin x plus alpha into sin x minus alpha. Okay. Now sin 3 alpha is equal to 4 sin alpha into sin a plus b into sin a minus b, sin square a minus sin square b. We know formula for sin 3 alpha, 3 sin alpha minus 4 sin cube alpha is equal to 4 sin alpha into sin square x minus 4 sin cube alpha. Because only one general solution given, I can write 3 sin alpha equals to 4 sin alpha into sin square x. I will take sin alpha common. 3 minus 4 sin square x is equal to 0. So sin alpha equals to 0. Here 3 equals to 4 sin square x. Now sin x is equal to root 3 by 2 you will get. Okay. Now general solution, x equals to n pi plus minus 1 power n into, when sin value root 3 by 2, 60. See, this value positive or negative, it is completely depending on n. So if n is even, that is positive. If n is odd, that is negative. That's why I can write one more option, n pi plus or minus pi by 3, where n belongs to z, is the answer for question number 37. That is n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Option B is the correct answer. Next, 38. The general solution to the equation 8 cos x cos 2x cos 4x. 8 cos x cos 2x cos 4x is equal to sin 6x by sin x, where, okay, not given, right, cross multiply. 8 sin x cos x cos 2x cos 4x is equal to sin 6x. This can be written as 4 into 2 sin x cos x cos 2x cos 4x is equal to sin 6x. 4 into, this can be written as sin 2x cos 2x cos 4x is equal to sin 6x. Again this 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Again 2 sin x cos x, sin 2 of 2x, that is nothing but 4x cos 4x is equal to sin 6x. Again 2 sin theta cos theta, sin 2 theta, 2 into 4x, 8x minus sin 6x is equal to 0. Sin c minus sin d. 2 cos c plus d by 2, 8x plus 6x, 14x by 2, that is nothing but 7x. Sin c minus d by 2, 8x minus 6x, 2x by 2, that equals to 0. From this we can write cos 7x is equal to 0, sin x is equal to 0. If cos 7x is equal to 0 is nothing but 7x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Now you can write x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 14. From this you can write x is equal to n pi. So 2n plus 1 into pi by 14 is the answer, but here is multiply with 2n. Okay, one more step. 2n into pi by 14, 2 1 just 2 7 just cancel, n pi by 7 plus pi by 14. N pi by 7 plus pi by 14, that is nothing but option C is a correct answer for this question. Next, 39. In 39 question, cos square x minus 2 cos x is equal to 4 sin x minus sin 2x. Okay. Now here I will take cos x common. Cos x minus 2, that equals to 4 sin x minus sin 2x formula, 2 sin x cos x. Now cos x common, cos x minus 2 So here I can write minus 2 sin x common. Minus 2 cos x minus 2. If you send that value, this side becomes plus cos x into cos x minus 2 plus 2 sin x into cos x minus 2 is equal to 0. Again I will take cos x minus 2 common into cos x plus 2 sin x is equal to 0. So from this equation cos x is equal to 2, it is not possible because cos range is minus 1 to 1. From this you can write cos x plus 2 sin x is equal to 0. So from this 2 sin x is equal to minus cos x, sin by cos, tan x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Then we can write x is equal to n pi plus tan inverse of minus 1 by 2. Tan inverse of minus x minus tan inverse x. Now x equals to n pi minus tan inverse of 1 by 2 is the answer for this 39. N pi minus tan inverse 1 by 2, that is nothing but option B is the correct answer. Next, question number 40. If cot x by 2 minus cosecant x by 2 equals to cot x, then x value. Okay. Now this can be written as cos by sin. This is 1 by sin. This cot x can be written as cos by sin. You will take LCM, sin x by 2 is LCM. Now numerator cos x by 2 minus 1. Here cos x formula 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. By sin x formula 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Now here only one solution is given, that's why I am cancelled sin x by 2 sin x by 2. Now multiply 2 cos x by 2 into this 2 cos square x by 2 minus 2 cos x by 2, that equals to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Now minus 2 cos x by 2 is equal to minus 1. From this cos x by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So when cos value 1 by 2, 60. Now x by 2 is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Send 2 that side. X equals to 4n pi plus or minus pi by 6. So 2 pi by 3, sorry. Where n belongs to Z is the answer. 2 4n pi plus or minus 2 pi by 3. That is nothing but option B is a correct answer. 41 open. Okay, question number 41. If tan A minus B equals to 1, secant A plus B equals to 2 by root 3, then the smallest positive values of A and B, means here we read A and B both are positive. So here I am writing cos of A plus B is root 3 by 2. So when tan value 1, I am writing directly a minus b is 45. Okay. Now cos is positive. 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. See, cos is positive in first quadrant and as well as fourth quadrant. But I am taking in fourth quadrant. This is 2 pi minus theta. Okay. So in 2 pi minus theta, see fourth quadrant cos is positive. That's why I can write cos a plus b equals to cos, when root 3 by 2 will come, cos 30, 2 pi minus 30. Because cos 2 pi minus theta is positive, from this I can write a plus b equals to 12 pi minus pi, 11 pi by 6. Now solving this and this, I can write a minus b equals to pi by 4, a plus b equals to 11 pi by 6. If you adding b and b gets cancelled, 2a is equal to pi by 4 45, 11 pi by 6. So 33, now pi by 4 plus 11 pi by 6. Now 2a equals to the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. 4 is 3 times multiplying. 6 2 times, 2 into 11, 22. Now 2a equals to 25 pi by 12. Then a equals to 25 by 24. This is positive. Substitute this a value in equation 1. From equation 1, a value 25 by pi by 24 minus b is equal to pi by 4. Send pi by 4 this side. 25 pi by 24 minus pi by 4 is equal to b. Again, if you take LCM, 24 is LCM. 25 pi 4 6 times, 6 pi equals to b. Now 25 minus 6 is 19. Now b equals to 19 pi by 24. So here a and b are both are positive and these are the smallest in all the possibilities. Now 41 question, 25 pi by 24, 19 pi by 24. That is nothing but option A is a correct answer for question number 41. Next, 42. The general solution of cos x into cos 6x is equal to minus 1. So for this equation, both sides you multiply with 2. 2 cos 6x cos x is equal to minus 2. So now 2 cos a cos b, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, cos of 6x plus x, 7x plus cos 6x minus x, that is 5x, that equals to minus 2. It is possible only if the first value is minus 1 and as well as second value is minus 1. So but here in options they given for which value you take. I can take x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi and n belongs to integer. So if I take odd multiple of pi, odd multiple of pi means what? Pi, 3 pi, 5 pi. For all these values you will get cos value is minus 1. Therefore x equals to 2n plus 1 into pi is the answer for this question. That is nothing but option A is a correct answer. Next, 43. The equation cos x plus sin x is equal to 2. First, squaring on both sides. Cos x plus sin x whole square is equal to 4. A plus b whole square, cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 cos x sin x is equal to 4. This value is 1. 1 plus 2 sin x cos x is formula for sin 2x, that is equal to 4. Now sin 2x is equal to 3. This is not possible. Why? Because sin range is -1 to +1. So for this, no solution exists for question number 43. That is nothing but option C is the correct answer.